Welcome to this sales demonstration on the InterAcct purchasing system for jobs. There are multiple ways to be able to create a purchase order within the system. One of the most commonly used methods within the standard InterAcct package is to use the auto purchasing method. When we're creating an auto purchase order, it asks us if we're wanting to filter the types of products that are going to be ordered, if we've got multiple jobs that need the same supplier to order goods, whether we're wanting to have one purchase order per job or one purchase order per supplier. The system can also look at min-max stock levels and minimum order quantities, etc., to work out what materials might be needed. So running the auto purchase order routine, it comes up with a suggested list of purchase orders that we might wish to raise. We can view those purchase orders to see the quantities and prices that have been suggested. We can also make changes to those purchase orders should we need to, coming up to the lines, picking any of the items, changing the price for them, or who we're going to buy them off, or the quantity that we're wanting to get in. Clicking here confirms those purchase orders and allows us to print those out. Now this is a multi-print from InterAcct, so we can send that to multiple email addresses. In this particular one here, the supplier doesn't have an email address on file, so it's suggesting to print that, and these will all be emailed out. So just hitting this button will then send those out. Looking at those purchase orders, we can see who the purchase order is going to, the details of what's been ordered, and the value for those items. With any of the purchase orders created in the system, it allows us to choose whether we're going to have those items picked up or delivered to us. We can put in notes and comments on the lines of the items. We can send out an order reminder to let the supplier know we've ordered all the following materials from you. We've received some of those, where are the rest of our items that are on back order. We can also set purchase orders up as requests for quote, put in alternate suppliers, send those out to that group of suppliers saying request for quote here, and see here's the products that are needed, the quantities that we need, and an area for our supplier to put in their best prices for those materials that we require. If you're wanting to have a look at some of the other job cost transactions within the system, there are videos that cover those topics, as well as running through more details of what happens under different types of purchase orders in the software. Thank you.